Yung contestant.
Oo.
Okay, game.
Wait lang.
Ang daya nyo.
Diskarte yan.
Kaya nga, diskarte namin. Ganito.
Ba, daya?
Okay. Start na.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
Sampu talaga?
Ikaw ba?
Oh, 10. Sige, ako muna.
Ready?
Ready? Ikaw ready? Ikaw
Isang
host.
kamatis lang.
Oh. Ready?
Isang kamatis
Ikaw
lang.
magre-referee and host. Sige, go.
Sa likod na lang, no?
Oo, likod na.
Is everyone ready? Contestants ready? Ready! Okay, we are starting in 5,
Isang
4,
kamatis papunta doon.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh yeah, ikaw!
Wala.
Now, as you can see, Bigo has the lead. Bigo has the lead.
Isa lang, bago. Ako na.
Dali.
Baba.
Okay. Babu. Later, still trying to hit his tomato.
Go, bago.
Babu, back to starting point. Back to starting point. Back to starting point.
Wait lang!
Talo tayo nito, bago.
Yes!
Now, I forgot to mention that
Ikaw na.
the losing team will have a consequence, which you will find out about later.
Ask Kuya if you can play music while this is ongoing. Ano, dito na lang.
Uy, dali! Baba mo pa!
Gusto mo din.
Wait lang.
Di ba mo kumawa ka?
Big!
Full volume mo lang.
Kasi baba mo na
Yun!
Wala! Yun!
Tamaan mo!
Tama natin! Tama na! Sa guhit lang daw! Open na, labas mo!
Okay, go!
Okay, game!
Okay na yan!
Okay na! Bilisin na!
No, it has to pass the orange line!
Orange line!
Bigel! Say,
Ako na.
bumaba ka!
Yun!
Next one, guys!
Nice one, Mamo!
Dali!
Okay.
Sin and Bigel, the red team are still at a lead. Dali, baba ka!
Sige, ikaw. Mas magaling kayo.
Okay, lang, it's still passed. Go, next one!
Go!
Later, go na!
Tama ka na. Dun ka.
Ang pangit naman ito.
Good job! Sin and Bigel, leading! Sin and
Grabe si
Bigel!
Tim. Grabe.
Come on!
Grabe si Tim.
4-2 to Sin and Bigel.
Ako.
Hey, no cheating!
Kamay mo.
Ikaw! Hanap ko kamay sa puwet, sa likod.
Yan lang. Ako. Hey!
Konti lang,
Bago
konti lang.
yan! Your arms
Ay,
have to be up!
hinawakan. Balik.
Your arms
Hinawakan niyo
have
yung
to be
tali.
up! Balik!
Balik.
Kamay sa likod!
Balik!
Balik. Okay, tama na yun. Nag-cross na siya. Bumalik.
To.
Ikaw!
Game! Hey! Arms up on your head!
Go. Sige,
Arms up on your head, everyone!
Ba't
If
bumalik?
you don't put your arms up, you will go back to the starting line!
O, yan na.
Go, team!
Okay. Ako na.
Dali!
Nakakaayos din na!
Dali!
Nakakaayos din ako!
Okay, good job, Slater! Slide na! It's Papa turn!
Pamo na. Ikaw na.
Ako na. Natamaan na.
Ay, double hit.
Yes! Back here!
Back to zero.
Hindi, dito lang.
Cheating.
Hindi naman ako.
Double hit!
Ang kaya ni Mami!
Cheating.
Oy, Pamu!
Ako na.
Oh, yeah. Go.
Slater!
Ah! Yun.
Good job, good job! Vamos! We're back to the start!
Sige, Slater!
Okay, good one.
Hey, good job, good job! Come on, Bigel! Okay, tapos na! Good job, Pamu! Bigel!
Yun!
Oh my God!
Papa! Yun! Pamu! Tapos na! It's one hit! One hit lang. Oh yeah! Open! Tulak!
Okay, go.
Open na!
Ikaw na? Okay na!
Hey,
Okay.
come on! Go! Hey! Go! Guys, you are currently at tie!
Okay, go!
Yan, go! Alright, Pamu, back to the start!
Okay.
Has he hit it more than once?
Okay.
Back to the
Wag ka ito
start!
lang.
Go!
Yes,
Guys, cheating!
One stop, Papa, one. Okay.
Ay,
Akala ko
cheating!
yung kamay na
One.
ulo.
Ah, sige, ulo.
Kunti na lang, Slater!
Ah! Ikaw, konti.
Update. Anong update?
They're currently very close to tie right now.
Yeah, go!
No, we are keeping a close watch with their stats.
Ay, nahulog.
Mga mamatinda.
Grabe!
Go, dali, Slater!
Excuse.
Touch mo lang! What the
Ayun!
Hey, Pamu!
Hindi. Wala nangyayari.
Hey! Pamu! And later, and in the lead.
Kamay, Pamo, kamay. Okay, ako na. Ayun.
Yay! Next one!
Ikaw, sorry. Kamay, bigay.
Yo, Tin and Figel! Woo! Oh, dali, Slater!
Matatamaan mo. Bahala ka dyan.
10 minutes off! Ayun, bigyan.
Ay, di!
Hindi.
Hindi naman namin sinasadya yun eh.
No, this one is Figel to Tin! Figel to Tin!
Wala ka pa ako! Bawal yan! Talo ang mga kapya!
Ibigyan mo yung talong. Wala. Dapat.
Figel touched it! Figel touched it! Figel
Dapat.
touched it!
My God! Natanggal yung talong ko.
So, we didn't talk about the consequence, pero the consequence is Figel has to be done up with makeup from Tin.
No. Kami mag-make up both of them.
They're gonna make up. The losers will be made up by the winners.
Then
Good
after
job,
which will be
Arthur.
followed by a fashion show.
After which will be followed by a fashion show by
Right,
all
so-
the housemates except for Parker.
No, the maid, keep talking and then we'll set up the chair.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yan po, natapos na po ang ating unang kaligayahan para sa mga housemates na nagagandahan at